Good morning, students. Today, Wednesday, I am your social science teacher in Whittle Matriculation School. Today, we are going to see the continuation of last class. Children, can you remember what we have studied yesterday? What we studied yesterday? We studied Chalcolithic age, Iron Age, right? What is Chalcolithic age? At the end of New Stone Age, copper was invented. In this age, both stone and copper were used. This period was called Chalcolithic age. Okay, next one, Iron Age. What is Iron Age? Humans discovered iron and started using iron tools and weapons. This age was called Iron Age. Next one, we see about archaeological excavations. What are all the archaeological sites where we found archaeological sites? In Tamil Nadu, Adichanallur, 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 Arikamedu, Arikkamedu, Arikamedu, and Keeladi, Keeladi, Keeladi are such archaeological sites. Okay. What is numismatics? You have to think this one. Okay. Glossary. Glossary means meaning. Artifacts. Articles made by humans. Artifacts. Artifacts are the articles which are made by humans, are called artifacts. Excavate, which means dig out. Excavate, dig out. Potsherds, broken pottery fragments. Potsherds, broken pottery fragments. Artifacts, Artefacts, artifacts, which means article which are made by humans. Next one, excavate, 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 which means dig out. Potsherds, 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 which means broken pottery fragments. Spelling for fragments, Fragments, fragments. Recap, a quick recap. Listen to this, dears. The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. Stones are used as a weapon in the Stone Age period. Okay. The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. Okay. Next one. Stone Age is classified as Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age and Neolithic Age. Paleolithic Age, Paleolithic, Paleolithic Age. Next one, Mesolithic Age, Mesolithic, Mesolithic Age, Age, and Neolithic Age, Neolithic, Neolithic Age. Okay. Next one. Take page number 160. We are going to see book bag exercises. Okay. Okay dears, page number 160, evolution, book back exercises. First Roman letter, choose the best answer. First one, Paleolithic humans. Option A, wore cotton cloths. Option B, wore woolen cloths. Option C, wore leaves and skin of animals. The answer is option C, wore leaves and skin of animals. Paleolithic humans wore leaves and skin of animals. Tick the C one. C is the correct answer. Okay. Next one, second. Dash was the first pet animal of man. Dash was the first pet animal of man. The answer is dog. Okay. Option A, cow. Option B, horse. Option C, dog. The answer is option C, dog. D-O-G, dog. Dog was the first pet animal of man. Question number 3. What was the first metal discovered by early human? Option A, iron. Option B, copper. Option C, gold. The answer is option B, copper. Copper was the first metal discovered by early human. Okay, copper is the right answer. Tick B. First one answer C, second one C, third one B, copper. Okay, next fill in the blanks. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, early man lived in dash. Early man lived in dash. The answer is caves and holes of big trees. Caves. C-A-V-E-S. Caves. And A-N-D. And. Holes. H-O-L-E-S. Holes. Of. O-F. Of. Big. B-I-G. Big. Trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Students, write it on your book. Okay, page number 160. You have to write these answers on your book. Early man lived in caves and holes of big trees. Big trees. Big trees means பெரிய மரங்கள். Second one, the Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as dash. The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as dash. The answer is weapons. W-E-A-P-O-N-S. Weapons. W-E-A-P-O-N-S. Weapons. Okay. The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. Third one, dash was used to produce fire. Dash was used to produce fire. Take page number 154. The answer is here. A type of stone called flint stone was used to produce fire. To produce fire, which stone is used? Flint stone. Okay, the answer is flint stone. F-L-I-N-T, flint, stone. S-T-O-N-E, stone. Flint stone. Flint stone was used to produce fire. Flint stone. F-L-I-N-T, flint, stone. S-T-O-N-E, stone. Let me read again. Flint stone was used to produce fire. Flint stone. F-L-I-N-T, flint, stone. S-T-O-N-E, stone. Flint stone was used to produce fire. Fourth one. Dash is the first scientific invention of man. Dash is the first scientific invention of man. The answer is stone wheel. S-T-O-N-E, stone, space, wheel. W-H-E-E-L, wheel. Stone wheel is the first scientific invention of man. Okay? Stone wheel. S-T-O-N-E, stone wheel. W-H-E-E-L, wheel. Stone wheel is the first scientific invention of man. Fifth one. At the end of New Stone Age, dash was invented. At the end of New Stone Age, dash was invented. The answer is copper. C-O-P-P-E-R, copper. C-O-P-P-E-R, copper. Okay. At the end of New Stone Age, copper was invented. At the end of New Stone Age, copper was invented. Third Roman letter, answer the following. Okay. First question, what is Stone Age? What is Stone Age? Page number 152. What is Stone Age? The answer is here. The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. Stone Age, S-T-O-N-E, Stone Age. Okay, weapons, W-E-A-P-O-N-S, weapons. In the Old Stone Age period, which one is their weapon? They use only the stones. They use only the stones. It is their weapons. The stones தான் உங்களுக்கு ஆயுதங்கள். Okay. In this period, the stones were used as, it is a weapons. It is used as a weapons. Okay. Third Roman letter, first question, last 3 lines. Okay. Second question. Write a short note on nomadic life. Write a short note on nomadic life. Take page number 154. 154. Nomadic life. The answer is they cut பண்ணிட்டு early humans அப்படினு எழுதிக்கோங்க. Early humans wandered in all the landscapes in search of food. This one is the first point. Second point, they ate whatever they got and drank water from natural sources. This one is the second point. Third point, this kind of life was called nomadic life. Okay, what is nomadic life? First point, early humans wandered in all the landscapes in search of food. Second point, they ate whatever they got and drank water from natural sources. Third point, this kind of life was called nomadic life. Okay. Next one. This one is the third Roman letter, second question. First 3 lines. Okay. First 3 lines. You have to answer point to point. Okay. Don't write it in paragraph type. Okay. Point ஆதான் எழுதணும் answer. Next one. Third question. Define Neolithic age. Define Neolithic age. Take page number 154. Okay. They strike out பண்ணிட்டு man அப்படினு போட்டுக்கோங்க. Man used bones, horns, stones, skin, branches of trees and sticks as their tools and weapons. Bones, B-O-N-E-S, bones. Horns, H-O-R-N-S, horns. Stones, S-T-O-N-E-S, stones. Skin, S-K-I-N, skin. Branches of trees, B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S, branches of, O-F, of trees, T-R-E-E-S, trees. And sticks, S-T-I-C-K-S, sticks as their tools and weapons. This one is the first point. First 3 lines is the first point and the second point. This stage of development in history was called New Stone Age or Neolithic Age. This stage of development in history was called New Stone Age or Neolithic Age. Can you tell me the spelling of Neolithic? Neolithic, N-E-O-L-I-T-H-I-C, Neolithic age. Okay, this one is the third Roman letter, third question. First point, first 3 lines, next 2 lines are the second point. Okay. Next question, fourth one, write a short note on pottery. Write a short note on pottery. Page number 157. Pottery. Here, it consists of 2 points. Okay. Pottery was also one of the greatest inventions by humans. First point, pottery was also one of the greatest inventions by humans. Second point, the baked pot was strong and looked beautiful. The baked pot was very strong and looked beautiful. What is pottery? First point, pottery was also one of the greatest inventions by humans. Second point, the baked pot was strong and looked beautiful. Spelling for pottery, P-O-T-T-E-R-Y, pottery. Okay, P-O-T-T-E-R-Y, pottery. This one is the third Roman letter, fourth question. It consists of 2 points. First 2 lines is the first point. Next 2 lines is the second point. Okay. Next one. Name some archaeological sites in Tamil Nadu. Fifth question. Name some archaeological sites in Tamil Nadu. Take page number 159. 159. The answer is in Tamil Nadu, Adichanallur. 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 Arikamedu. Arikkamedu. Arikamedu and Keeladi. 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 Okay. You have to write these 3 words 5 times so that only you can get the correct spelling. Okay. Write Adichanallur, Arikkamedu and Keeladi for 5 times. Okay. Adichanallur. 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 Arikkamedu. 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 And Keeladi. 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 These are the archaeological sites. Okay. In Tamil Nadu, Adichanallur, Arikkamedu and Keeladi are such archaeological. Here you have to write archaeological. This one.